Just 5 minutes from the house and neighborhood I'm about to show you is this great boardwalk leading down to an awesome marina on Grange Bayou. By the way, there's a restaurant behind me called the House Oyster Bar. You can take your families there. Looks amazing. The views go on forever, and just imagine enjoying the sunsets, sunrises down here, Grange Bayou. '36 Pintail Boulevard in Marina Village in Freeport. They're gonna see this awesome house, but before we get to the details, so this is Kayla. Kayla is the newest motivator at Century 21. And hey Kayla, tell me something awesome about yourself.
Well, I served in the Navy for 4 years, and now I'm a real estate agent, here to show you this beautiful Randy Wise built home. Let's take a look inside, you guys. This house is gorgeous.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Open floor plan, right? What do you like about it?
I love the color of these floors.
Yeah, so luxury vinyl plank flooring, and I like that they put it in pretty much every little bit of living space, but this kitchen is something else. What do you think?
I love it. It's the center of the home. It is so open. Everything's open. That's my favorite part about this house.
It feels good. Tall ceilings. Randy Wise does really cool things like this herringbone style backsplash, kind of like, you know, complementing everything else with the granite countertops, shaker cabinets and everything. You also notice high ceilings is really great, makes it seem a lot more open than it actually is in here, the high ceilings. There's a couple bedrooms over there, and we have a master over on this side.
Let's go take a look. I have a picture just like that for when I was in boot camp. Like, these are the exact pictures they take through boot camp, so.
All right, so this guy was in the Navy. You can tell he's a bunch of Navy stuff, so the owner, like he was in the Navy. So I was in the Air Force and the Marine Corps. She was in the Navy, right? Mm-hmm. But I really kind of think, like, even though I was in the Air Force first, I really do think that the Marine Corps was the better branch of the two.
Definitely the type of branch I would give a pack of crayons to.
Well, actually, I can attest to that, and we eat our crayons, so there's that. Hey, high in fiber, believe it or not, crayons. So listen, what is the best branch of the military? Comment below and why. Tell us what you think is the best branch of the military. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the Marines.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the Navy. Go Navy.
Right on. Yeah, see, Marines just hitch rides on the Navy. That's what we need them for. Mm-hmm. So there's that.
Or their taxi. But don't forget what the back of a Marine tag says.
I give up.
Property of the U.S. Navy. You can tell it's a Randy Wise home because it has good bones. These are the type of houses that would last 100 years.
Yes, so what's really cool is also, in all these bedrooms, as you can see, high ceilings. So it's like 8-foot ceilings in every room, crown molding, recessed lighting, and even the details such as the transition between the carpet and the wood floor in all of these spaces is great. It just flows really nice.
I love how tall these walkways are. I'm 5'8" for reference, and my dad's 6'4", and I've been in houses where it was like he almost hit his head every time. So a tall person could definitely live here. There is so much room for you to walk without worrying about hitting your head.
Dude, you know what's messed up? My dad was 6'2", my grandfather is 6'4", my mom's 5'9", and I got 5'7". Can you believe that? That's ridiculous.
These are so tall, me being 5'8", I barely can touch it. So.
I love it. So next we have the master bedroom. Okay, this is a really great space too.
Yes, I love this tray ceiling and this beautiful crown molding right here. It's so tall and it makes it feel so big and open.
And it goes with the tall doors, doesn't it? The tall ceilings, and even taller ceilings. No, there's 3 windows in here, a lot of natural light, walk-in closet. And guys, this is a pretty nice master, the ensuite over here. This is pretty cool. Got double vanity. You got this tub as like a little centerpiece here.
I love this privacy window right here. For me, I have houseplants, and I don't know if you've seen people put their houseplants by their bathtubs when they're showering to get that humidity, just to hydrate those plants, and I would have them all set. I would set them all up right there, you know, just ready for that natural light to go in and that natural privacy too.
Cool. So during the open house, Kayla will be here with a bunch of plants and stuff. No, I don't know, but that would be pretty cool though.
I would bring one. I have quite a few.
All right, guys, so this is your $425,000 back porch. What do you think of the house, Kayla?
I love this porch. I love the shade, and I love Look at this garden bed over here. I love this aloe plant in the garden bed because, of course, I'm a plant person like I told you guys already.
36 Pintail Boulevard here in Freeport, Marina Village. 1857 square feet, 3-bed, 2 bathrooms. Again, $425,000. I'm Jordan Dennis, and I'm leading you home.
And I'm Kayla Perez. Give me a call today so we can make an offer on this beautiful
Oh my
home.
God, no, dude, I'm supposed to end the video.
I'm sorry. Are you hangry?
I might be.
Let's go get some food.
How about those crayons we talked about earlier?
Okay.
Let's do it.